Why most accounting firms' websites suck. It's a sad reflection on our profession, but the vast majority of accounting firms that do have a website have done a pretty poor job of it. Now maybe it's because it's something they don't understand how to do themselves, or maybe they're still under the impression that website designers command huge fees. Maybe it's because they don't understand the role an online presence should play, or its importance in the development of their firm. Or maybe it's because they're just cheap or lazy. Who knows? But whatever the reason, there's really no excuse for not having a decent online presence today. There really isn't. Let me share with you some evidence of why accounting firm websites are dreadful. Now to do that, I'm going to go online and I'm going to take you to some sites and show you what's wrong with them. I'll also take you to some very good accounting firm websites for you to look at and to show you just what can be achieved. And then I'm going to let you be the judge and let you decide what type of website you feel is right for your firm. So let's look at the good, the bad, and the ugly. At this point in the DVD, I want to make an important point about style. The only way I can do this properly is to go online, so excuse me for a minute. I'll be back to take you through an online tour of the good, the bad, and the ugly. Okay, as you might tell from this screen, we're now going to look at the ugly. We've looked at the good, we've looked at the bad, and now it's time for the downright ugly. So let's take a look. Sam Seidman, Chartered Accountant, guilty as charged. This is one of the worst websites I've ever seen. This day and age, this is unacceptable. Even how you find what he does, the services, the links are all over the map. It really is dreadful. If I were a potential client looking for a new accountant online, I would never in a million years use this person, having looked at their website. Now, while we're looking at Sam Snyderman's website, there's something I want you to look at. I'm sorry, it's so amusing to me, but it's really a serious matter. This person's website has an announcement on it about preparations for the year 2000, turning from 1999 to Y2K, as it used to be called. Remember that? Well, that's 10 years ago now. And yet there's still a special feature on this person's website. Let's take a look. This is Sam Seidman's website, where I mentioned that the year 2000 is rapidly approaching and the need to consider everything from your telephone system, burglar alarm, elevator, and most importantly to me as an accountant, your accounting needs. Ensure that the software you are using is year 2000 ready. Tax relief now extended to October 31, 1999. Goodness gracious me, this is late December 2009 when I'm recording this. This information is 10 years out of date. If you were looking for a new accountant and you came across this, would you ever in your wildest dreams give this person a call? I wouldn't, and I doubt you would too. Okay, so hopefully you've taken some points from the sites we've looked at, and you're ready now to move forward and produce something that has good content, that looks nice, that's easy to navigate, and that will focus on the 3 key aspects your site should be marketing to in terms of prospects, informing existing clients, and recruiting new employees. So now you see the benefit in going online. How do you go about doing it? Well, that's what we're going to discuss in the next segment. So let's take a look.